Thanks for the nice welcome and thanks for the introduction. I'm really excited that I today, but in general we as a network, get the opportunity to present ourselves, because what we are not is like a feminist fight club. This is not about we need a quota woman everywhere and we need a quota in institutions so that we get more women everywhere. We want more women, but that's not the way how we try to solve it. So I work at the Research Center in Jülich, which is one of the largest research centers in Europe. We have 15 institutes with multiple sub-institutes and more than 7,000 employees in a city of 35,000 inhabitants. So it's probably one of the most international small cities in Germany. We have interdisciplinary research in energy, information and bioeconomy. And I'm employed at the Jülich Supercomputing Center, which is one of these 15 institutes. We are very soon, in 2 weeks, going to inaugurate Europe's first exascale supercomputer, Jupiter, in Jülich. So we're one of the 3 largest supercomputing centers in Germany, which hosts supercomputers not only for German researchers, but for European researchers. So if you want to do something on a supercomputer and you don't have one at your university, or you need a bigger one like Jupiter, there will very soon be ways to get access to that system for free for scientists. At our Jülich Supercomputing Center, we do have about 25% women in the workforce, and if you take the communication, coordination, non-technical, non-STEM jobs aside, we are about 19% women. Because there are people like me who were hired as scientists and now do something which is a bit less sciencey, but it's, let's say, roughly 20% women in STEM jobs, which is quite a bit. So I know a neuromorphic computing institute in Heidelberg, which has exactly 0 women apart from like the secretary and the communications person. Women in HPC is an international organization which tries to increase the visibility of women, to make the high-performance computing, the supercomputing workforce more diverse and inclusive. It is a women's network, as the name says, but it's in general about diversity and inclusion. The goal is really to make everyone feel welcome and have a good feeling at conferences, to feel included. And if you're like the odd one out, obviously like the only woman in the room, the only black person in the room, to still feel like a part of the group and not left out. And it's also about equal opportunities to succeed in the career path you've chosen.